Hi everyone, my name is Diane and welcome back to my Pink Bathtub Knits YARNvent style. It's a week out from the holidays for Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. I can't believe how quickly everything is going. I've become quite nostalgic thinking about Christmas and Christmas past, and I'm going to share with you some of my childhood memories with Santa Claus. I seem to be seeing Santa everywhere I go now. So I went through all of my family photos, and that part is the part that got me super emotional this week, and just lots of flooded back memories, especially of Christmas time as a child. And every holiday season, we spent it with my mom's sister's family. They have 3 boys. Well, they're men now. So I always called them my holiday cousins. So it was always the 3 boys and us 2 girls, and we always had Christmas and Thanksgiving and Easter together. We lived a couple hours apart, and we would travel and take turns hosting each other for the holidays. Every year when the parents went to bed, one of us would be kind of on the lookout and wait patiently until we didn't hear anything. And then we would get everybody up. We would all congregate in the living room where the Christmas tree was. We would go through everything under the tree, and we would make piles of presents and decide where everyone was sitting. Grandma sits here, Mom sits here, Uncle sits here, and we would pile all their gifts appropriately because we didn't want to waste time. When the adults got up, we were ready for business. We were allowed to look through our stockings. So we would do that, and often there would be like candy and maybe, little trinkets, and usually an orange in the toe. So we were given permission to do that because the parents knew that we would be up early. I don't think they knew that we were up at 1 a.m. and we stayed up all night, but so be it. And my one cousin would unwrap all of his presents every year, and then he would pretty much fake wrap them up again. He could not wait. Like, he did that all the time. And full disclosure, I was a bit of a snoop at Christmas time myself, and I knew my mother's hiding spots. I would always find our presents. They were mostly under her bed. But the only issue was my sister and I are a year apart, and I never really 100% knew what was for me and what was for her. One year I got this huge wicker headboard, like this giant wicker headboard that you put at the end of your bed. And I got up, and I was a little bit older, so I was sleeping in at that point. And I walked into the room, and the first thing I said was, "Where did you hide that?" Because I didn't find it. And she hid it at the neighbors. So here is a little montage of some pictures of me with Santa and family throughout the holiday season. You will see my stocking in a few of them. And at the very end, you will see my 2023 photo with Santa. Enjoy.
Well, it went pretty much like this.
If you want a Christmas day, I can give you a cup of cocoa. Even if it was cold, babe, don't worry, I'll be there for you. Every night I see you going down there, baby, you might feel like curtain hiding down there, and so much worries you were holding inside of you. The scars and tears will dry by. You'll be fine, don't worry, babe. I'll light up the candles for you.
When I was out at the store, my friend Dude texted me, and she sent me this cute picture of Elfie. So here's a cute picture of Elfie watching Elfie on the YouTube.
for a moment, we can make the darkness cease. For Christmas, I just want a little peace.